Hey guys, my name is Ten Much. Welcome to my YouTube channel once more. Please hit the subscribe button if you're new. You can also follow me on Instagram where I post most of my pictures. In this video, I'm going to explain the reason why most guys are becoming nice guys and how to avoid becoming one. You might be one, or you know someone that acts like I'm going to explain right now. One of the greatest mistakes most men make is being too nice, either to the ladies or people around them. They think that by being nice to others, they will treat them the same way in return. This involves buying gifts for them to be liked by others or to impress them. This kind of behavior will cause them to throw their goals on the window, which will reduce their value as a man. The second thing is seeking validation. These type of men are ones that are always avoiding conflicts when they aren't the one to blame. They have the fear of being criticized. They worry about what others will think of them. Even when they have the great idea, they will rather stay quiet. They act and behave like everyone else, even when they know it's not the right thing to do. These men depend on others people for making decisions for them. The third step is that they are too emotional. These men believe that they can't control how they act and feel. Mostly they tend to invest emotionally in women. They rather go against their boundaries just to please a girl they like, to make her like them in return. They tend to get angry quickly by anything that attacks their ego. These men are the ones that will pick up a fight when you step on their shoe, rather than standing up and saying what's needed to be said. The other thing is that they like confidence. Confidence is the way you view yourself and the world around you. Most men depend on other things such as alcohol and drugs to speak out their feelings. When you lack confidence, you find it hard. You will always be giving up on the goals you set and dreams at the first sign of resistance. And usually, men that lack confidence find it hard to let go of people or things they used to like. As I promised before, we can simply avoid making these behaviors and patterns that will make you a nice guy by simply improving your personality. Always remember that the person that you need to please is yourself. Never sacrifice your time to be liked by others. Stand out in your own way. Not everyone is going to like you, but appreciate those who will like you, because that's the real you. The only person that you need to please is yourself. So try by all means to be yourself, not to seek validation from other people. You should make your own decision. You don't have to care what other people think. It's your life, not your friends. You can also find time to read books, to find the right books that will help you to improve your knowledge and the way you view the world, and work on your goals. Always avoid negativity and being emotional in moments. Sometimes being emotional makes you look weak, and other people will work on this to take advantage of you. Work on the way you behave and feel. Sometimes our emotion prevents us from really being successful. Lastly, you can improve your confidence by eating the gym and being careful of what you say and act. Change your false belief and find the purpose for your life, the reason why you came on this world. Confidence is simply going for your heart desire without any fear of rejection or what other people will think about you. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you all in the next video. peace and stay blessed.